Welcome to Day 2 of the Toon Tracks Racing Monster Truck event. I am your host, Chris, along with Jason.
Hello.
And we have reached the quarterfinals. 8 trucks are left. Soon, there will be 4. But they need to get past these 3-car obstacles and reach the finish line first to move on. So here comes race 1. We have Wild Streak against
Roger Dodger.
So here we go. And Roger Dodger grabs the win, and he will eliminate Wild Streak. As you can see, he grabbed a quick lead. Wild Streak seems to be hobbling along the track, and Roger Dodger smashes his way to victory. He will move on to the semifinals. And Wild Streak,
bye-bye.
This brings us to race 2. We got Hot Wheels Racing versus
Bone Shaker White.
And Hot Wheels Racing edges out Bone Shaker in white. This is as close as you can get. And it's the 3-car pilot that finally separates them as Hot Wheels Racing barrels through, and he will advance. And that finish gate is taking a beating.
What a crash.
So we will see Hot Wheels Racing in the semifinals. And this brings us to race 3, where we will have Bone Shaker in black taking on the Hulk. Wow, that was very close. The finish gate says lane 1 took it, but I don't know about that. This looks really close, and we're gonna have to go to replay and check this out. You can see them going neck and neck, and it looks like the Hulk may have edged him out. And it looks like Bone Shaker may have actually hit a car into the prong, giving him a false victory. And here you can see the Hulk clearly with the win. And let's look again. You can see that green car that gets sent up in the air, hits the prong, triggers the finish gate. But he is clearly not the winner as the Hulk edges him out, and he will grab this very close victory.
Hulk smash!
That he did, Jason, and we will see him again in the semifinals. And this brings us to match 4, the last race of the day, with Steer Clear taking on the Leopard Shark. And Steer Clear will eliminate the Leopard Shark as he will move on to the semifinals. And we now have our 4 cars set for the head-to-head matchups, and we will see which 2 will go into the championship next round. Let's take another look at these 2 monster trucks barreling their way through the finish line as the cars are sent flying in the air, careening all over the place. But it will be Steer Clear who will stand out as the clear winner, and we will see him again next episode. So for the semifinals, we have Roger Dodger taking on Hot Wheels Racing, and then we have the Hulk versus Steer Clear.
Way to go, guys.
So if you guys enjoyed this episode, be sure to drop us a like, hit subscribe, and be sure to check out our sponsor, JLHcrafts.com Racing, as you can find his link down below in the description for your diecast racing accessories. We will see you guys here soon at Toon Tracks Racing.